Okay, so at the end of the last video on my Volvox progress, we had a basic Node.js app. So just to recap, the Volvox idea is to have some page where you can have a series of cards in a grid, where each card is like a file upload or something that you're like representing, or let me show you. So it's something like this. So this is what we had last time. Okay. And so at the moment, we've got this general log setup, and the idea is that there's this grid of cards, and you can add a post, make some title, description, and then you can upload some files. So for example, if I just upload these, then, or you can even link a URL. Okay, so it gives you this, and then you click on it and it goes to the file. In this case, a HTML file. So at the end of the last video on this, I wanted to take this Node.js app and convert it to a Next.js app, because Node.js projects are a little bit more difficult to host on the internet, and the idea is to make a website that you host, and users can upload their files and images like this to do whatever they want to do, like maybe store a blog, or like represent their work as a portfolio, like a digital CV. And so the problem with Node.js in doing that is that you need when you host it, you need to have some sort of file management on the server side. So I tried to do this a while ago with Amazon AWS, but it turned out to be really expensive and not the correct solution. It seems like a much better solution to make a Next.js app which is lightweight and doesn't actually store files itself, but sends the files to a database. Okay, and so that's what I ended up figuring out how to do. Initially, I was going to just take all of the code that makes this Node.js app, put it in Google AI Studio, and say, hey, can you make a Next.js version of this? Tried doing that, didn't work at all. It was too complicated of a task for Google AI Studio. So it turned out to be much simpler to just one sec, I just realized I was going to put turned out to be much simpler to just build it again from scratch in Next.js, and so that's what I ended up doing. And I figured out that it's helpful to like build the parts like starting simple and then gradually making it more complicated. So we'll just leave those for now. And if I just click on this, it goes to but am I connected to the internet? Yes. So this is the Next.js version, which is running on the internet at the moment, and it's hosted on Vercel, just as a serverless ephemeral website. And then the files, when you upload them, go to Firebase storage, which is a Google product where it's like they do databases and file storage. So when you add a post, and you upload a file, in this case, it goes to, so we'll do the same one. It goes to Firebase storage. So it's not hosted, it's not saved on the server that the website is being hosted on. Okay, post added successfully. And at the moment, this version of Volvox just has one page, and you can just add posts and edit them like this, and you can also change where they show up in the positioning. Okay, so now that goes to the start. And it was reasonably simple to make this from scratch in Google AI Studio. Way simpler than trying to convert the whole thing from Node.js. There's just some features that this currently doesn't have that I want, such as like the multiple pages. So the next video is going to be on the stuff in Learn, this thing. And multiple pages, and crucially like different users, multiple users as well. So for example, I can register a user and set passwords. Okay, and then I can log in, and now I can create new subpages. So new page, make another one, and then you can go on the new page and make a post as before. And let's see, it's a nice picture. And say we want to go to YouTube. I think it has to be https:// youtube.com. Okay, and we click on it and it goes to YouTube, but because I'm in China and I'm not currently on a VPN, oh no, maybe I am on a VPN. A VPN's active. It does work. Okay. Anyway, so that's where we are with the Volvox progress. The next steps are to incorporate the features in the Node.js version, like the pages and users, into the Next.js version, and sort out the styling, because at the moment I didn't do any styling. Yeah, so that's it for now. We'll see where we get to next time. How do I stop this?